Hi there, I'm Chris Nantes from the Global SCS Marketing Team, and today's topic is SCS interoperability with both Communication Server 1000 and Business Communications Manager, which really translates into a great new unified communication solution for multi-site customers. So let's get started. First off, let's take a peek at portfolio positioning. Now, an obvious differentiator here relates to scalability, but the next one may need a little bit more explanation. You see, both BCM and CS1000 solutions have a rich heritage in telephony and have evolved into unified communication solutions, which in turn has provided customers with tremendous degrees of investment protection and seamless migration paths. Now, SCS, on the other hand, is more of a native unified communication solution. It doesn't have the same telephony origins, and it's really been designed from the ground up to be extremely UC feature rich, using open standards like Session Initiation Protocol that have evolved enough that they're more than ready for prime time these days. Now, other key differentiators? Well, with BCM, you have optional voice and data convergence. It supports both digital and IP sets, because it's a hybrid solution. And of course, all you Northstar customers out there can maintain up to 70% of your investment when you migrate to BCM. And last, as you would expect, it's got great telephony features and some great UC capabilities as well. Now looking at CS1000, it also of course has extremely robust telephony features and some great UC capabilities, but as more of a larger enterprise platform, it's really all about reliability. It also has some of the industry-leading services associated with it, as you can see here, each of which are extremely sophisticated and robust. And finally, we have SCS, which is a software-based solution that's supported on a ton of different hardware platforms, and as mentioned, it's completely based on open standards like SIP. Now, it's also designed using a services-oriented architecture approach, so it integrates with different web-based applications as well. And compared with most other UC solutions on the market out there, it's dramatically simpler to use, and this really even extends to pricing, where you get all of the robust UC features and capabilities in a single price per user. Now, SCS has also been proven to be 52% lower than the competition from a total cost of ownership perspective. So now we're going to focus on what's new, which is really the SCS and CS1000 interoperability aspect. So as you can see, the latest versions of SCS and CS1000 can be easily connected in a multi-site network using SIP trunking. Now, this is completely software-based, so you don't need any additional external hardware to make it work. Now, alternatively, all of you Meridian 1 customers out there and or those CS1000 customers on earlier releases can actually use digital trunking to connect to SCS sites. In fact, a lot of you can even use your existing PRI gateways for this connection, so no new hardware is required to make it work. Now, in this situation, SCS and CS1000 are peers, so all applications and management are separate. In other words, all CS1000 users get CS1000 features, all SCS users get SCS features, and it's pretty much the same across both digital and SIP-based trunking. But here's the value. Pretty much all of the major telephony features are transparent across the multi-site network, including centralized dial plans. So what does this mean to you as a customer? Let's take a peek. Well, first off, you get choice. CS1000, BCM, or SCS, depending on the needs of a particular site, or even department or functional team for that matter. Now, you also get investment protection as you can evolve your multi-site network at your own pace, one site or department at a time, or when it makes the most sense for your business. And of course, you get basic telephony feature transparency across the entire network, including centralized dial plans. And finally, with SCS interoperability now supported, you have the option of a simple-to-use, open standards-based, unified communication solution that, and I know I've mentioned this on the last slide, but it's worth repeating, has been independently proven to have up to 52% lower total cost of ownership versus competing solutions from Cisco and ShoreTel. So this concludes the video. I certainly hope you found it informative. This is Chris Nantes from the Global SCS Marketing Team saying thanks so much for your time today, folks. And if you'd like to learn more about SCS interoperability, check us out, nortel.com/SCS, or talk to an authorized SCS reseller today. Have yourself a fantastic day.